Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to edit a poll in Messenger group chat. Poll in Messenger group chat helps to share opinions through voting in your group. To edit a poll in Messenger group chat, first open your Messenger application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then here you can see your general chats. Now tap on your group chat. Now make sure that a poll is already created. Now to edit the poll, tap on vote option down the box. Then here you can add your option as well. To do that, tap on add option and then you can enter your option. You can enter as many as option you like. To do that, you have to again tap on add option and enter the option. Then tap on submit after you add your option. With that, you'll be able to edit the poll in Messenger group chat. You cannot manipulate the already added options on the poll. You cannot also delete the poll that is already existing in the group chat. As you can see here, the poll now contains 2 more options. This is how we can edit a poll in Messenger group chat. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.